Hi, Andy Ball with American Dent Specialist coming to you today. I wanted to talk about our new fall promo that we're running. We're running four packages for fall. We're running the Get Up, Step Up, Jump Up, and Level Up packages. Depending on how many dents you have and the condition of the paint on your vehicle, one of these packages might be perfect for you as you're coming back from summer, trying to get your vehicle back in good condition after summer trips and the kids being homeschooled for the last 6 months. So we put together these four packages, the first of which is the Get Up package. It is up to 5 quarter-size dents, normally up to a $400 value. Now this fall is going to be $199. You can get 5 quarter-size dents repaired with no factors, so no body line upcharge, aluminum panel upcharge, obstructed damage upcharge. It's just a straight $199, 5 dents, up to a quarter in size during the fall. And it's going to be running all the way to the end of December. The next package we have is the Step Up package, which is regularly $900. So we have this during the fall for $449. It's up to 10 quarter-size dents. Again, no factors. And we're also including a $125 either interior or exterior detail of your vehicle with that package, and so that gets you back in good shape. The third package we're offering is a Jump Up package. Now this one's going to be up to 15 dents. So if your car's got a lot of wear and tear on it, kids' bikes, shopping carts, trips to Home Depot, and you just want to get it all the way cleaned up, you get up to 15 dents, quarter size with no factors. So no body line, aluminum panel, or obstructed panel upcharge, so it's not going to change the price of the package. And we're going to include a $250 full detail of your vehicle in that package. That's normally a $1,300 value, and this fall it's going to be $799. And the last package is the Level Up package. So if you want to take your vehicle to the next level and it's got some years of wear and tear to it, you get up to 20 dents, quarter size repaired. You can get a full $250 detail, interior and exterior detail, and a 6-month Ceramic Pro Sport coating on the vehicle. This is normally up to a $2,000 value for this package, and it's $1,299 during the fall. And so this LX470 actually came into the shop for one of our packages. It's getting a full detail. They chose to add headlight restoration to their package, and they're also getting some of the dings repaired. And so they actually opted for the Step Up package. They're picking this one up later on today and dropping off their other vehicle, which is going to actually get the Jump Up package that has a little more damage. It's a little bit older, and they're wanting to fully restore it back into good condition so they can enjoy the fall in their ride. We also do large dents, hail damage repair, ceramic coatings, and full details. Most of these packages should one of these packages should be able to fit the needs to restore your vehicle back at the end of summer, get it back looking good for the fall. But if you had something like tree damage, this FJ Cruiser had a tree limb fall on it from the very front of the hood through the windshield, all the way across the roof, and all the way across the back of the vehicle. Our customer brought it into us. He did not want it to be painted, wanted none of the parts replaced, and so we completed this repair 100% paintless dent removal, no paint, no Bondo. Worked directly with his insurance company, replaced the windshield, repaired the hood, repaired the roof, and then he also asked for a full detail and a 6-month coating on his vehicle. We went ahead and gave him a 2-year coating just because it was the right thing for this vehicle at the time. But again, large limb fell on his car, and we repaired this entire vehicle using paintless dent removal and our paint correction and restoration services through Jason Cates, our master detailer. So if you got caught one of the recent hailstorms and you're thinking about getting your vehicle repaired, you work directly with your insurance company. We have deductible assistance running this year because of the COVID-19 pandemic that we've all experienced this year. And so if you're looking for an estimate, you want to find out whether or not your vehicle fits into one of our full paintless.com or on any of our social media sites. Again, thank you for your time today, and have a great day.